Alright, today's video we're upgrading the Power Wheels Jeep. We're getting rid of the battery in here, putting in an 18 volt. Let's get it. Oh. Yeah, so we don't need this anymore. Let's put this over here.
That's way too slow.
Okay.
Why go like this? Why go like this? Now.
That's right. Alright, let's pop the hood.
Go like slow motion like this.
Slow motion for me. Slow motion for me. Alright. Okay, so this is the electrical wires we need. We've got the white is positive and the black is negative. Alright. Let's clean up the work area a little bit. So take yourself a towel, clean it up, right? We don't want to be working in filth.
Daddy, this is kind of squishy one.
It is kind of squishy.
Yeah.
Alright. It's the battery mount. Voltage regulator. Some wire connectors. And another voltage regulator. What is that? Oh, it's like some plastic protectant. Let's pull up the wire diagram. Alright, here's the wire diagram. So first, let us start with connecting the motor to this side. This is motor side. Alright, we need a Phillips. What's wrong? Oh, okay.
Daddy just kicked it.
Phillips. Now we need wire strippers. Wire strippers. May I have my chair back, sir?
Yeah.
Alright, I'm going under the knife. We're cutting her up.
No.
Yeah. Oh, we're still wet. I don't want to deal with the wetness. That's what happens when you got to install the new engine. Got to cut it up before you can make it faster.
Well, goodbye.
Goodbye, old battery.
Goodbye, old battery.
You are a good friend. But for now, so remember, plus goes to plus. On here, white is plus. Okay, that's it. Throw that in the garbage. Don't need it anymore. Okay, so let's start with the plus. Yes. Alright, come here. So we'll start with the plus.
That was sticky.
That's right. So what we're going to do is we're going to cut this back just a tip.
Bye. Oh!
Perfect. Here. Now we need the negative.
It wasn't shooting you. Be careful.
Boom.
Be careful. It's going to electrocute you.
No, it's no power yet. We're charging the batteries.
Oh.
These are non-chargeable. Okay. So we got the positive. White was the positive, and we're going to put it right into the terminal. Completed. Next, do this terminal and use the opposite side. Don't put it on the other side, because if it frays, they can touch and cause problems. Alright, now that it's in there good, give it a good ugga-dugga. And another ugga-dugga. Then confirm that metal is on metal and not the plastic. See, look at this. I caught myself. Wow, good example. Look. You see how it's all white there now? I was catching too much of the plastic. Now we're on the metal part. Always check your work, people. It's worth it. And confirm it's tight. Oh, oh, oh. Can you pull on that? Make sure it's tight. Very good. Alright, and then the white is on the plus. Okay. And then
that looks like a cheese cutter.
That's right. And we can probably mount this like right here. That'll be pretty cool, huh?
Yeah.
Alright, we'll leave that there for now. Now that we got that, we want to turn the voltage all the way down. It does have an off click. That's nice. Alright, so that's turned off so we don't fry ourselves when we first plug it in. Next step. Go to the wire diagram. So we're over here. We did that. Bam, bam, bam. Now we need to take this machine. Okay. This is called the DC low voltage protection board. And we need to connect this to this. And red looks like it is your positive. So they do a nice little job here of cutting it for us.
There's still black one.
That's okay.
But that's cool.
Give it a good little twist. Now bring it over to the car.
The wires changed this one.
Mm-hmm.
Because it got so red.
Mm-hmm.
The white is red. The black is black.
That's right. That's right. So it was saying it wanted to go. Oh, I can't get the camera in there very well. Okay, yep, that is plus. That is minus. And then from here, we wanted the one right below the digital screen. Whoop. Okay, I can't really see it, but you can see this transformer, and then this digital board. This is the one. Red goes to the positive. Illegal. You can't take the master mechanic's chair. I do need to get a little lower. Let's get low. Let's get low here. Ooh, alright. Can you hold this for me? Thank you. Okay, we're going to bring it in here. And we're going to keep the same rhythm, but let's untighten it. I'm going to go on the other side for these guys. So
Why?
and keep the wires on this side. It's good to keep everything, keep it separated. All right.
We're keeping those wires so it's super powered.
That's right. Thank you.
Oh, how was you doing that?
Thanks for helping. I love having little helpers, you know. They definitely add value. Much better. There we go. That's tight. Okay, give it a little ugga-dugga-dugga. And let's get the ground wire. Slide right on in there. Okay, now give it the good old ugga-duggas. Oh yeah. Okay, just tug a tug, tug a tug. All right. Boom. And these guys can mount together like that when we're ready. Stay. Don't fall. Oh, alright, wire diagram time. Next step is hooking this guy up to this guy. And they gave you a special wiring thingy, which is great. So we're going to do orange with red and black with blue. You just slide things in there. Wham bam, thank you ma'am. Let's get the wire stripper. Let's see how far deep these are. Pretty deep. Oh. Okay. And this one goes to the orange. And can I give it, try to give it a little twirl. There you go. That's nice. Oh, I hear it. Clamp down. Tug. Actually, these are good. All right. I'm impressed. These little things work out really well. They hold it on tight. That's what we need. And it's not even like that big of a clip. Like, that's it, right?
Is this the fourth?
That's awesome.
Is this the fourth part?
What, babe? The fourth car?
The fourth part
Oh.
building.
1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. Fourth part of building. This is the battery connections. Yeah. Okay. Put that there. Alright, give it a little twist.
Is that the last part?
This is the last part before we mount it, yes. Click. Tug. I'm super impressed with that. That is awesome.
After that,
What, baby boy?
after when you do that,
Can I clean it?
yeah.
Guess.
Yes.
Yeah, we can clean it. I mean, it's pretty clean right now. It's not. Oh yeah, it is a little dirty. Yeah, we can clean it. All right. And keep everything loose for now because it's plastic. How we doing on that battery charging? We are still flashing, so that's all we gotta wait for. We gotta wait for the battery to get solid because right now it's doing the flashing, and we'll be right back. Alright, we got everything installed. This is just a rough fit. We'll mount everything later, but for now, let's see. We got the switch in the off position. That's good. Alright, there's that. Oh, it fell. That's okay. We're in the off position. I'm testing it. Alright, turn the switch on. Right here. Ooh, there we go. We got 18. What is that? Alright, so what does this do? Let's look at the manual, see what it says. So it looks like the button on the left is plus and the button on the right is minus. So we can, I guess, adjust it to whatever we want. Wow, okay. So if this is minus and this is 2 volts. Wait, what is that? Oh, do I turn it? Oh, okay, there we go. So I guess I have to edit that out now. 18.4. What is that? There's 12. Okay. Okay. Got that there, got that there. Now. Alright, give it a shot.
It's on?
Yep, it's on the factory setting, so 12 volts.
It's on?
Yeah, great, watch out. It's not working? Alright, we figured out the issue. Alright, power on. There we go, showing 19 volts. Wow, okay, let's lock up the hood. Alright, got it in reverse. Oh, wait for him.
You think you're gonna leave me?
Oh my gosh, that is so fast.
I'm going back.
Yeah. Holy cow. That is awesome. This thing was barely moving in the grass with one of them. Now it's flying with two. Don't crash. Come on, turn a little bit. There you go. There you go. Slow. That boy. Yeah, don't go under there. Good job. You did it. Say, that was awesome.
That was awesome.
All right. Yeah, it is. No more pushing. It's okay. Oh yeah, we got
It's almost summer.
almost summer.
Yeah, I was almost get the birthday house.
Yeah. Alright, well that's going to be it for this video. We got the new engine in, new power, and we're very happy. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you all in the next one. Peace.